Painting is known as the soul of artworks, and if the painting is done with passion, talent, and determination, the value of that masterpiece becomes more than gems and treasures. In this video, we will see the paradigm of talent and hard work together. The unbelievably beautiful combination of colors will bless the eyes of its onlookers. Firstly, the talented painter is painting with light pastel colors on a canvas as a background. The beautiful mild brownish and bluish shades are carefully handpicked by the artist. He is patiently and slowly painting the shades on the whole canvas, and the combinations chosen are just perfect to highlight any sketch that will be drawn on it. Now, after the completion, he starts diffusing the painting shades with a paint spray gun. This procedure eventually ties the shades into a masterpiece combination. Mild and faded painting colors on the canvas give a glowy and realistic look to it. The earthly tone becomes the heart of the artwork. In the end, look at how beautifully the shaded background has blended with the painting.